¡Vamos, Jorge!
Gift for me? I can imagine what it is. It's gold?
Wow! I'm nervous.
What is this? Ha! Yes, it's gold.
Oh dear. Oh, just in time.
Yes. Wow. Wow, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Video pass.
Let's go. My mom will be very happy. My kid uses more than me because he loves to see my races.
Practice, qualifying.
Every day. I can keep connected and
I want to study all my rivals.
That's useful.
Get for free, I'm gonna be much easier. I will follow all the action.
All the cameras from helicopter.
all the onboards.
Go and get yours.
Yeah. Grazie.